Indiana, this is a test message. Until 9:30 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received into test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio K. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marshall County in central Illinois, north central Woodford County in central Illinois, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washburn, or 9 miles north of Eureka, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Washburn around 12:40 a.m. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 26 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West XK24 Odell. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Vermilion, and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or miles per more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
SVRIWX.
Northeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan. Northwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan. The thunderstorm was located or 9 miles west of Three Rivers, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marcellus, Smilefield, Jones, and Houtesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. This is NOAA. Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm.
What is that advisory like?
Weather service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois.
Holy shit, what?
Affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan